Hello grade 8 students! For today, our lesson is all about dissecting angles and line segment. In today's lesson, you should be able to accurately find the missing dimensions using the concept of angle bisector and perpendicular bisector. Before that, let's watch this video presentation. Hello grade 8 students! For today, I'll be showing you how to draw a perpendicular bisector in our line segment or a line segment bisector. To do that, we must have our line segment and we also must have our compass. So the first thing that you need to do is to put the needle on point A and make sure that your compass is open widely more than half of your line segment. So here it's more than half. So the next thing that you need to do is to draw a semicircle. After that, you need to transfer your needle on point B and draw another semicircle here. So as you can see, there are intersections between our semicircle. We can connect these 2 points. So we have here this point up to this point. So we have point CD. So here, line segment AD is congruent to line segment BB. And because this is a perpendicular bisector, we also divide or we also created a 90-degree angle here. The next thing that I'll be showing you is how to bisect an angle. So first, we need to have an angle. The first thing that you need to do is to put the needle on the vertex of the angle and make sure that your compass is widened enough to form or to create a line on the center of your angle. So this is enough for our angle. So next is to just make a mark. Okay, so that is enough. And then on the other side as well, we also need to have a markings. So here, this will be our points on the angle. We can name this one as angle A, B, C. And we want to bisect this angle into 2 congruent parts. How can we do that? So we need to put our needle on point A and draw a markings again. And then we also need to transfer our needle on point C and draw a markings like what we did on the first point. And then, as you can see, there is an intersection of our markings. That would be the next point that we will combine with our intersection. So we need to combine point B, which is our vertex, and the intersection of that semicircles. Okay? So in this given, we created a angle bisector named ray BD. So here, angle ABD and angle BDC are congruent with one another. So if this is 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. From the video that we've watched, it was mentioned the word bisector. What do we mean by that? When we say bisector, it is a line that divides an angle or a line segment into 2 congruent parts. So we have different types of bisector. The first one is segment bisector. It can be a line, segment, or ray that passes through a midpoint of another segment. We also have perpendicular bisector. It is a line, segment, or ray that is perpendicular to its segment at its midpoint. We also have angle bisector. It is a segment that divides an angle into 2 congruent parts. From the video, the concept of bisector is that it divides the angle or a line segment into 2 congruent parts. So we will be applying those concepts in our problem. Here we have line segment CD bisects angle ACB. Find the value of x. So as you can see here, line segment CD is our angle bisector. So we can say that angle ACB is also equal to the measurement of angle BCD. We can also rewrite this one as 8x plus 10 is equal to 3x plus 55. To find the value of x, we need to combine like terms. So we have 8x minus 3x equals 55 minus 10, or simply 5x equals 45. Divide both sides by 5, so the value of x is 9. Next, find the value of x in the figure below. We have here a perpendicular bisector, which is line BC. We know that line segment AC and line segment CD are congruent with one another. So we can say that 2x plus 11 is also equal to 4x minus 5. To find the value of x, we simply combine like terms. So we have 11 plus 5 equals 4x minus 2x. Let's simplify. So we have 16 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. So the value of x is 8. Next problem. If line PN bisects line segment MO, what is the length of line segment MO if MN is equal to 3x plus 7 units and line segment NO is equal to 4x minus 6 units? For us to solve this, let's visualize our problem. So this is our illustration for the given problem. We know that line PN is a perpendicular bisector. So we can say that line segment MN is also equal to line segment NO. To find the length of line segment MO, we need to find first the value of x. So we can say that 3x plus 7 is also equal to 4x minus 6. Combine like terms, so we have 7 plus 6 is equal to 4x minus 3x. When we simplify it, our value of x would be 13. For us to find the value of MO, we need to substitute 13 from our MN. So MN measures 3x plus 7 units. So substitute 13 from x, so we have 3 times 13 plus 7, or simply 46 units. The same with NO. NO is equal to 4x minus 6 units. Substitute 13 from x, so we have 4 times 13 minus 6, or simply 46 units as well. We are looking for the length of MO. So to find that, we just simply add MN and NO. So 46 plus 46 is equal to 92 units. Next problem. Ray EC is the angle bisector of angle MED. If the measurement of angle MEC is equal to 5x minus 18 degrees, and the measurement of angle MED is equal to 2x plus 12 degrees, find the value of x and the measurement of angle MED. So let's illustrate our given problem. I have here the bigger angle, which is angle MED, and we also have here angle MEC, wherein the angle bisector is ray EC. We know that the measurement of angle MEC is 5x minus 18, and we know that ray EC is also our angle bisector, so we can say that angle CED is also 5x minus 18 degrees. We are asked to find the value of x. So to do that, we just simply add the measurement of angle MEC and angle CED. So we have 2x plus 12 equals 2 times the quantity 5x minus 18. Do the distributive property, so we will have 2 times 5x is 10x, 2 times negative 18 is negative 36. To find the value of x, let's combine like terms. So we have 12 plus 36 equals 10x minus 2x. That is 48 equals 8x. Divide both sides by 8, so the value of x is 6. Next, we are asked to find for the value of angle MED, which is represented by 2x plus 12 degrees. Substitute the value of x from our expression, so we will have 2 times 6 plus 12, or simply 12 plus 12, which is 24 degrees. Last problem, we have here line segment DC is the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. If CB is equal to 3x plus 7 units and AB is equal to 9x minus 7 units, what is the value of x and AB? So let's draw first our illustration. So here, line segment AB measures 9x minus 7 units and line segment CB measures 3x plus 7 units. We know that when we combine line segment AC and line segment BC, it will be equal to 9x minus 7 or line segment AB. So we have 9x minus 7 equals twice the line segment CB. So that is 2 times 3x plus 7. Do the distributive property. So we will have 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 7 is 14. Combine like terms. So 9x minus 6x equals 14 plus 7. 3x is equals to 21. Divide both sides by 3. So the value of x is 7. Next, we are asked to find for the length of AB, which is represented as 9x minus 7. So just simply substitute the value of x on our expression. So we will have 9 times 7 minus 7 is simply 56 units. Now it's your turn. I want you to draw the following. Line segment CB is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Pause the video and I will reveal the answer afterwards. So here are the answers for number 1. For number 2, draw line segment MN bisects angle LMO. Pause the video and then I will show you the answer. Here are the answers in this given problem. Next, we have line segment BC bisects angle ABD, wherein AC is also equal to CB. Pause the video for a while and I will show you the illustration. Here are the answers in our problem. Now let's proceed with our exercises. Let's sub-modify true or false. Write A if the first sentence is correct and the second is incorrect. Write B if the second sentence is correct and the first sentence is incorrect. Write AB if both sentences are correct. And write X if neither of the sentences is correct. Pause the video for a while and I will show you the answer afterwards. Here are the answers on our exercises. For number 1, the correct answer is B. Number 2, the correct answer is B. For number 3, the correct answer is AB. Thank you very much. Do not forget to access your Clipper accounts and don't hesitate to ask Sir Alex and Miss Ria for further questions. Thank you and God bless.